The process of sauna is that of de-stressing and removing the anxiety in your life. We do not want your installation day to be one of those days that ramps up your stress and anxiety. Today in this video, we're going to talk all details around installation day. We want to celebrate with you, we want to introduce with you, and we want to make sure that day is flawless. Here's all the steps you're going to want to know, and here's what we're going to do from our team to make it easy for you. Hi, this is Justin from Cedar Stone, and here we are talking all things installation day. So right behind me, this sauna has been delivered into site one single day. One day, in a matter of a day, we had nothing in the backyard. The end of that day, our clients were using it and enjoying it. Now, that takes a lot of planning, thought, and process on the front end to make happen. We're going to talk now about what are the steps to make install day less stressful, easy, and enjoyable for you. So much of the work that we do is we talk to all of your tradespeople and make sure the conversations and the communication happens well. We want to take those experiences, that way we're talking to electricians, that way we're talking to landscapers, landscape architects or architects to make sure your sauna in the backyard fits the property and gets installed nicely. When we think about space, most of the initial conversations are how many people are you going to have in the sauna? What's the capacity? And that determines the size. Because we have a volumetric modular approach, that's what the architects like to say, we build on-site in Duluth, Minnesota at our design studio, where we allow for all of the hard work to happen in the shop, deliver on-site to make sure all of those details happen perfectly for you. We are going to create a process for you that makes it really, really easy. Because in our shop, in our design studio, we're able to build to higher standards of quality, higher standards of detail, wrap that all up and bring that to anywhere in North America that you want your sauna. Now, the delivery of that is going to depend on what your site looks like. And so our team is going to help assess whether on-site or digitally via some walkthroughs of what's possible in that location. Are we going to go over land, over sea, or over air to get there? Quite literally, we've done just about every way that you can think of to install a sauna. Commonly, we are going over ground with additional equipment that we provide to come over and around your house or behind or things like that. Sometimes it's common for us to use cranes. Cranes are awesome to lift heavy objects and they can do that safely. We're working with local crane companies on site for you guys to make sure we're going over the house or on top of the building or into the backyard to do that well. We have on occasion gone over water. We've barged things across water. And the only way I know of that we haven't installed yet is via helicopter. So if you have a mountaintop, please get in touch with us. We want to do that helicopter install video and we want to put it on YouTube just like this one. As we're thinking about all those elements, we're going to do some work for you to make sure that sauna is sized appropriately and sized appropriately to go down the road. All of our pre-designed saunas are thinking about transportability from the get-go. So any of our standard models in our premium line are going to have road safe and road required distances already accounted for, most of them within 8.6, so we can go down the road really easy. If you're looking for something a little bit bigger, let's say ADA accessible, custom or bespoke, you want to do a floating sauna, those are all going to be possible to do within a wide load permit and still awesome and still easy to do. We'll just do a little more legwork for you to make that work. As we think about install day, we're also going to likely send a team to be on site with you. We care about that white glove service. We care about the details to make that happen easily. We're going to talk with anybody on site to make sure your process for that is not one of crossing your fingers, full of anxiety, hoping it just goes well when it gets dropped off. We are going to get it into its final resting place, talk with you about that last quarter inch to make sure it's perfect, and do all the details on the inside to make sure the windows are shined up, it looks perfect, and walk you through some steps to make sure you know how to use that sauna right from day one. Afterwards, a lot of the landscaping and beautification is going to go on right after that. Sometimes we're coordinating to make sure we meet those landscapers, to make sure the electrician is on site that day, to make sure we can test some of those requirements, to make sure the plumbing gets hooked up in the right spots. All those things we're happy to work with you to schedule ahead of time so that that process can go smoothly. Those are some expectations you're going to want to know for installation day for your sauna to go smooth, easy, and enjoyable so that you have decades and decades of enjoying your sauna to add to your life, your family's impact on your life, and beautification on your property. Thanks so much. Check out all of our info on that with our team at cedarandstonesauna.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you are ready to reserve yours, we cannot wait to deliver that sauna into your backyard so that you can be enjoying it soon. Thanks again.